Hello everyone, it's time for another episode of Outside the Box with me, Nendoboy. This is where we review some of the latest action figures and collectibles in the market. So for today's episode, we will be unboxing and reviewing the adorable Nendoroid 1192 Hina Amano from Makoto Shinkai's popular animated film, Weathering with You. Before we begin, I would like to thank KG Figure for sending this Nendoroid to me. If you're looking for Nendoroids and other action figures, please check out KG Figure's online shop for more of their amazing products. Now the heavens have opened and Good Smile Company finally gave us Nendoroid Hina Amano. She is called the girl who can clear skies with her prayer. If you have seen the animated film, you'll know exactly what I meant by that. This Nendoroid is a follow-up pair to Makoto Shinkai's other very famous film, Your Name. And previously, we got the Taki and Mitsuha Nendoroid from Good Smile Company. Now let's first look at the box. The box, just like any other Nendoroid box, has this white layout at the front with the image of Hina. It has this big window to get a proper view of the items inside. It has the Nendoroid name and number, the logo of Good Smile Company, and the logo of the anime series or film where this Nendoroid is from. The side and back panel of the box has the sky background with some stylized images of Nendoroid Hina and Hodako, and several other informations in Nihongo that we basically all ignore. So let's not keep you all waiting, it's time to bring Nendoroid Hina Amano outside the box. Okay, so here is the heroine Nendoroid Hina Amano. So far, I'm loving her colors and overall sculpt. The Nendoroid 1192 Hina Amano is made of painted ABS and PVC. The Nendoroid size is approximately 4 inches in height, and this is an action figure from Good Smile Company which is only recommended to ages 15 and up. This retails at about 4,636 yen, somewhere around 1,500 to 2,000 pesos before tax. Now let's look at all the parts included in this package. So you have the adorable Nendoroid action figure along with an instruction manual on how you can attach some of the extra parts that is included in this item. She also comes with 2 faceplates including her lovable standard expression as well as a praying expression with her eyes closed. For optional parts, she comes with the Teru Teru Bozu decorated umbrella as seen in the film. The umbrella can also be displayed as a standard umbrella. Additionally, she comes with extra arms, hands, and legs. She also comes with a special base for recreating the film's key visual with Nendoroid Hodaka Morishima, which is sold separately. Now for the articulation. Just like majority of Nendoroids, there's really not much range in terms of articulation with this figure. All you can basically do is tilt the head a little forward, back, and rotate sidewards. Same goes for the arms and hands. You can move her arms forward, swivel her hands, and that's about it. Her hair sorts of gets in the way when you move her hands, so do be careful. You can also rotate her hair to the direction that you like. Now for the torso, you can barely swivel her waist. For the legs, you can push it forward and back and rotate it. This is where the additional parts comes in. You interchange arms and legs to give her different poses. Now as for the facial expressions, you can easily interchange faceplates to change her facial expression. First, remove the front part of her hair, then remove the faceplate and change it with the expression that you want. Reattach the front hair piece and you're done. You have an entirely new Hina Amano action figure. Attaching her umbrella is also super simple. Just insert the umbrella handle to her hand that has a hole in it. Push it all the way to the yellow handle, then simply attach the handle to the umbrella by inserting this to the hole peg. And it's that easy. You now have Hina holding her famous Teru Teru Bozu umbrella just like in the film. The verdict. The weather forecast is a heavy downpour of cuteness with a thundering yes. I really love how Hina turned out in Nendoroid form. This Nendoroid perfectly captures the art style of Weathering with You with the paint job and amazing sculpting. If you're a fan of the movie, this should definitely be part of your collection. Of course, as expected from a Nendoroid, there are a lot of limitations in terms of articulation, but that won't prevent you from still fully enjoying this adorable figure because of the extra parts and accessories included in this item. I can't wait for Nendoroid Hodaka to arrive so that I can finally reunite them together and maybe summon the ring. That's it for now, and thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was able to help you decide if you're thinking of getting this Nendoroid. So what do you think of this action figure? Do you like it? Are you a fan of the movie? And do you agree with me and my review? Also, if you have any requests or suggestions on which figure I should review next, just let me know by typing your comments and opinions down below in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet a subscriber of my channel and you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you will continue to support me and watch my other videos. That's it for now. Always remember to stay safe, be kind, and be awesome. Jamata. Bye-bye.